Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two powerful graphics cards from ASUS, the Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 V2OC Edition and the Prime GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and how they stack up against each other in the ever-evolving world of gaming graphics. With the RTX 3060 being a reliable choice for 1080p and 1440p gaming, and the RTX 5060 Ti promising next-gen performance, which card will come out on top? Let's find out. The ASUS Dual RTX 3060 V2OC Edition is built on the Ampere architecture, providing solid performance for mainstream gaming. In contrast, the ASUS Prime RTX 5060 Ti utilizes the new Blackwell architecture, which offers significant advancements in performance and efficiency. This generational leap means that the 5060 Ti can handle more demanding tasks and future-proofing for upcoming games. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS Dual RTX 3060 V2OC Edition is priced at $329, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime RTX 5060 Ti comes in at $479, reflecting its next-gen technology and enhanced performance capabilities. This price difference is a key consideration for consumers looking to balance performance and budget. In terms of performance, the RTX 3060 features 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of 1,867 MHz, which is suitable for most gaming scenarios. However, the RTX 5060 Ti takes it a step further with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory and a significantly higher boost clock of 2,647 MHz. This increase in clock speed and VRAM capacity allows the 5060 Ti to excel in high-resolution gaming and demanding applications, making it a powerhouse for gamers and content creators alike. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual RTX 3060 V2OC Edition and the ASUS Prime RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths and cater to different segments of the gaming community. The 3060 offers great value for budget-conscious gamers, while the 5060 Ti represents the future of gaming graphics with its advanced technology and performance capabilities. If you're looking for a card that can handle today's games and tomorrow's challenges, the 5060 Ti is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.